Hi, how are you? My name is Christine and I'm here to do an unboxing, and I got this from Dossier. It's a scent. So this is iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So I got the Floral brown sugar, and the notes of this are, the top notes are bergamot, raspberry, and pear. Middle notes jasmine, orange blossom, and brown sugar, and my base notes are patchouli, amber, and vanilla. It's inspired by YSL Mon Paris Eau de Perfume. So I'm gonna take a little smell and give you my honest. Oh my god, this smells amazing. If you're looking for a good perfume that is less expensive than the YSL, this is what you need. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm very surprised. It says luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price. This is it. Thank you, Dossier.